y'all, Xavier here. We're back again to react to another episode of Lord of the Rings, The Rings of Power. Today we're on episode, what episode is this again? Episode 6, Udûn. That's how I'm pronouncing it. I don't know. I'm assuming we'll get the proper pronunciation in the episode. So what did last episode set up? I'm going to try to keep this short. Last episode set up, the Númenóreans along with Galadriel are on their way to Middle-earth. Along with Halbrand. They're going to the Southlands. The Elrond and Durin are headed back to Eregion. They're headed back to Khazad-dûm to try to convince Durin's father of they're trying to convince Durin's father of the benefits of giving the elves some of the mithril. The Harfoots are traveling along their way. We're assuming that they're going to meet up with the Southlanders. Yeah, and also Branwen and Arondir along with Theo are defending Ostirith, that watchtower from Adar and the orcs and the defecting townsfolk led by Waldreg, and Rowan got killed by Waldreg last episode as an act of proving his loyalty to Adar. Yeah, so that's the setup. The small little previews I saw suggest this is going to be action packed, so let's see and let's get into it. Orc and is that the orc hand? I think that's an orc and now was it Adar's? Yeah. Okay, so it was not an orc hand, it was Adar's hand in whatever the thing is called, the mallet. Glove? Mallet? Is that mallet? I don't know. Yeah. Gauntlet, I think.
By Jove! He's got it!
Clever!
All patiently waiting for him. Oh, give that little Rosen speech before.
Our enemy may be weak. Their numbers meager. Yet before this night is through,
yeah, Waldreg is so scared.
and brothers and sisters in our home.
I've never seen a female orc. At least I don't think so. Okay, so they have neglected the outer defenses. I guess they didn't have enough people to defend the outer defenses and the inner defenses like we saw in the Elms Deep battle. So they're going for different routes. More guerrilla tactics, I guess. Oh, I see it better now. That's a face. I didn't see it better. I didn't see it good last time. Oh, it's just him? Oh, that was the plan when they said about bringing our tower down. Oh.
Nobody, you must move now! You must move!
Oh, wow. A whole load of them got taken out right there.
How many of them can survive that?
How long do we have?
Not long enough. Come on. We have to make ready the village.
At least half of them got taken out there. At least half. He has a close relationship with that horse. I'll tell you that.
Be visible to your eyes in a few moments.
There were like a few bites of that or of that apple left. Like, come on.
Do you know?
Elf eyes. Middle Earth. Yo, that was a good shot right there. That's a good shot. With the ships and you see the land. Oh yeah, that was a good shot.
His mother. What happened to her?
It is strange. Most of my life I looked east to see the sun rise over the sea, and west to see it set over the land. We're sailing into the dawn, and yet to me, it feels like the coming of night. She drowned.
Okay, that was a long way to get to that answer. Okay, so the 500 men may have a chance now. Without a good amount of orcs taken out. But they didn't know that before. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy to destroy that thing. Oh, cute.
I have seen smaller armies defeat greater foes. Soon the sun will set. Do your part, and I swear to you, you shall see it rise again. Do you believe it? Do you believe it?
To your positions.
Okay, a much better speech than what Bronwyn tried to do last time.
In the end, this shadow is but a small and passing thing. There is light and high beauty forever beyond its reach. Find the light, and the shadow will not find you.
Oh, decent words. Has a little vibes, a little buzz to it, you know? Let's have a little zing.
It is a tradition among elves. Before the battle begins, plant one.
Ah, like Adar did.
You and I. And Theo. Together.
Promise me.
Are they gonna kiss? Yes, no. Okay. Knew it was gonna happen eventually. It is time. The first sign of the orcs. Nothing but a light. Oh no. Hide, hide, hide.
The bleeding fools missed us!
No, they did not. I'm assuming there's more orcs coming from a different side.
They're ready for the tavern.
Bring him down! You went to see with Legolas and the guy with the torch. should have gone for the elf first, not the orc. Not the human. Dumb orcs. Oh yeah, that's a big boy. Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, the orc took it out. Oh, I did not. It's gonna be saved, but this is tense. Oh boy. Hey yo, pay attention. Watch your surroundings. Nah, that was too easy. That was too easy. There are more orcs. There are more orcs. Wait, what's he noticing? Oh, those weren't orcs. They were... Oh, it was the Southlanders. No, the orcs. Oh, they're just mixing a few orcs in there. But like, some of the forces were the Southlanders people, Southlanding people.
And now, all you will.
See, I knew it was too easy. There was something else afoot. Oh. No, don't. Yeah, go inside. Get to safety. Oh wow, that was cool. That was a nice. Oh.
Help him first.
No, he's gone. There's no helping him.
You'll have to stop the bleeding.
I don't think
Either you're gonna do this or I'm gonna die. Do you understand?
Yeah, Adol, crap or get off the pot, one. Do what she says. Crap or get off the pot. Ugh. Oh, that was... I jumped a little.
Now. Now this side.
Yeah, tell you. Ugh.
Go on.
Mother! Wake up! Mother!
No, she's gonna survive. But what's gonna happen regarding the orcs outside now? Yeah, like I said, she would survive. For now. But what's gonna happen now with all these orcs outside? It is when the Númenóreans arrive. Oh. Okay. Nice imagery.
Sani kestin. Äsei Antoni.
Atusani.
I don't think that's how the bargaining works around there.
The woman next.
Wait out!
What's the... Oh no. Is he gonna get himself killed? Yeah, he's gonna get himself killed. Oh no, Theo. Theo is gonna get himself killed. Oh! Is that actually where it is? It actually where it is. Those are horses.
Roderick, I have a task for you.
Oh, trampled.
I'm alright.
I thought you were.
No. I thought Isildur was gonna save him.
Maktar, their commander.
Demonios! Both of us, yes.
Who is that?
Commander of the Northern Armies. Galadriel.
Albrand. Is there something else? Are we gonna see something happen with Albrand here? With him going after Galadriel and Adar? Who's he gonna attack? Oh, okay. Okay, I was wondering for a little there who he was gonna attack.
You remember me?
No.
Yeah, I was wondering where Galadriel was.
One cannot satisfy thirst by drinking seawater.
That is true. Very, very true. But you might say... Okay, so she listened to him. No, he listened to her. Okay.
When I was a child, I heard stories of elves taken by Morgoth. Tortured. Twisted. Made into a new and ruined form.
Oh, is this a Dutch angle? That's what it's called?
One of them, are you not? The Moriondor. Perhaps we should bring our prisoners into the sunlight.
A little torture to loosen his lips. Okay, Galadriel.
After Morgoth's defeat, the one you call Sauron devoted himself to healing Middle-earth. He sought to craft the power, not of the flesh, but of the flesh.
Yeah, that bread. Yeah, that tracks with what Sauron does.
I sacrificed enough of my children for his aspirations. I split him open. I killed Sauron.
I do not believe you.
Exactly. Please, come on.
Are created by
We are creations of the one, master of the secret fire, the same as you, is worthy of the breath of life, and just as worthy of a home.
I think people would disagree with you, but okay.
This land will be ours, then you will understand.
Yeah, it will be. How though?
And even if it takes me all of this age, I vow to eradicate every last one of you. But you shall be kept alive.
To witness each of them.
Before I drive my dagger into your poisoned heart, I will whisper in your piked ear that all your offspring are dead, and the scourge of your kind ends with you.
Okay, so I see why Gil-galad cast her out.
I'm not the only elf alive that's being transformed by darkness.
Exactly.
Perhaps your search for Morgoth's successor should have ended in your own mirror.
Perhaps I shall begin by killing you. You slavering orc.
Galadriel.
Okay, I see what Gil-galad and Elrond... Not necessarily Elrond, but I see why Gil-galad and the other elves were like, yo, get out of here. You're going too hard, lady, you're going too hard.
Who are you?
Chill.
What I owe you. My people are alive because of you.
As I understand it, they are alive because of you.
A burden I never sought to take up.
Few of the finest leaders do.
I was hoping to make that point. She wasn't chosen for it. It chose her. Something like that.
Is it true? Are you the king we were promised?
He's gonna say yes.
Yes. Powerful.
Yeah, that's the allure. Both the hilt and the ring. The ring that's to come. That's not it. That's not it. Waldreg took it. Bye. Okay. I knew that was too.
High five. No, either we.
He's warning you. The horse is warning you. Yeah, exactly. See, I'd forgotten about Waldreg. Oh, the tunnel is for some... to awaken Mount Doom? Oh, yes. guys were celebrating too soon? Oh man, this is beautiful! Ah, yes! Okay. Alright. Okay. That was a good episode of TV right there. Okay. Alright, let's see what Udûn. Okay. Episode 6. Yeah, okay, that's the best episode so far. Okay, so the description says Adar and his army march on Ostirith. At the ending, loved it. I was like, I knew something on the back of my head was like, there's something else here coming. There's something else coming, but I'm missing. I am missing it. What am I missing? Waldreg. Of course, it was like just like a brief, like couple second scene in the middle of the episode during the battle. So of course I saw it, but it skipped my mind. It skipped my mind. Boy. Okay, let's start from the top. Okay, so we see this brief synopsis of what we saw in this episode. All right, so Adar and orcs, they walk into Ostirith. Adar starts by planting some seeds, just like Arondir said later in the episode, like before battle, the elf plant the seed. Okay, I'm not sure if that's correct in the lore, but it sounds cool. So yeah, I'm rocking with it. They walk in, it's empty, and then Arondir brings down the defenses, brings down the tower, kills like half of their number, something like that. Cool. The Southlanders said they start preparing defenses, they have the plans and everything, and Arondir and Bronwyn the kiss, and bada bing bada boom. So move on. The orcs march in. They enact their plan to cut them off, cut them in, to fight them, to kill them. Boom. People die. And then we find out that people were also killing people. So it was not that party of people was like the Southlanders that had defected earlier in the season, last episode. It was like all the Southlanders were mixed in with the orcs. So Southlanders and orcs killed by the Southlanders. And then so Adar and the rest of the orcs that survived the earlier tower collapse, they came in, killed a bunch of people, and they start killing one by one until they give the hilt. Arondir is not breaking. Theo, they're about to kill his mother, so Bronwyn, so he steps in, gives him the hilt. I guess he was following Arondir earlier. It's implied because we had saw earlier in the episode when Arondir was talking about hiding it so no one could see. We could see that Theo was a little, yeah, we saw that he was a little icy on it. Alright, so oh yeah, but saw the scene on the ship to the Southlander. It's already the Númenóreans on their way. Alright, that's later. And so that brings us up to, we see the scene in the fields of the Númenóreans. I like that. And then they catch up and they ride into town. They kill most of the orcs that are left, capture a few. Adar gives the Waldreg the hilt and tells him, get Leggett, and then Adar grab someone else, and he also like a different direction. Galadriel and what's his name? Halbrand chase after him, catch him, they collect the item. Galadriel is torturing him a bit, and he was like, Halbrand is like, "Yo, you saved me, you stopped me from killing Adar earlier. I'm gonna stop you from killing him now, okay? Chill." And so, because we see that Galadriel, Gil-galad might have had a point, cause the elves might have been correct. Galadriel is going a bit too hard. She is too obsessed. She is going towards the darkness. Okay? Okay, so I thought, she might not have had that much of the darkness in her, but what she was saying about like killing all the orcs and keeping them alive so you can see them dying, and then she kills them last. Okay, lady. Okay. You are doing a bit too much. I get why, but you're doing a bit too much. You are straying from the light. Okay, so what happens next is so everybody's celebrating. Halbrand takes up this role as king, and they're all talking, doing their this and that, whatever. And what Adar says, we will win. And we know we win because, of course, Mount Doom has to happen. Because Sauron has to take over that land, that's Mordor. So, what happens next is, what am I seeing here? Waldreg forms a sword, puts it in the holding thing, which releases the water that's being held up by the Watchtower, and we see now the point of why the elves were digging the tunnel. It was as a channel for the water, and so the water goes into the volcano, goes directly into it, which causes a reaction that ignites the volcano, and it's now active and it's erupting, and it's chaos. And I knew what was gonna happen, and I like what they did. Just what they were setting up in the earlier episodes. It came back to play. The hilt, the tunnel. I think we had seen the mountain in the background of some of the shots of the Sutlands. It came back to play, and there's also more to Halbrand. Okay, but this was the best episode so far. Cinematography nice, direction nice, acting nice, dialogue okay. It wasn't amazing, but it was good enough. I liked the action. The visuals amazing. Okay, this was I was enthralled. Okay, for me this has been the best episode 6 so far. Unless that maybe like when I come back next week, I'll be cool on it. But like now, immediate reaction is the best episode so far of the season. And if the last 2 episodes build on this, I don't know if they can build on it because the writers have been a little so far. It's been acceptable so far. But if they can build on this for the last 2 episodes, I don't know, man. I don't know. It might be nice. Okay. I hope. Okay, I'm not gonna do too much on it. If they just keep to this level, I'll be fine. But if they can build on it, that'll be really, really great. But nice. Looking forward to episode 7. We didn't see the Harfoots, Elrond, or during this episode. This was all about the Numenorians and the Saltlanders. We're gonna see next episode, from the little preview I saw, we're gonna see the Harfoots, Elrond, Durin, and maybe the Saltlanders, because we saw the scene of Galadriel, and yeah, just looking forward to it. I want to see how they connect this. I can imagine how the Southlanders or the Harfoots connect. Well, I'm not sure how Elrond and Durin are gonna, or they're just gonna be separate still. I don't know, but yeah, really like this episode, and yeah, that's my thoughts.